So tell me, who was the lady I saw you earlier with today?
She's my wife.
Wow, your wife?
Yeah.
Amazing. She's beautiful.
Thank you.
You know what? I'm impressed. You have taste. Let me send you something.
₦500,000. For what?
For having taste. Come give me a peck. Thank you, baby. So go have fun, okay?
Thank you.
Oh, sorry. Don't cry.
Baby, I'm not happy with you. You're hurting me. Who was that lady that saw you with upset? Is it that I'm not fine enough? I'm not good enough, me?
Babe, the lady you saw me with earlier today is my wife.
Your wife?
Yes, that's my wife.
I'm not angry again. I know you're not hurting me again. Oh yeah, let's go inside. Let me take care of you. Let me take care of you. Give me job.
Solo. Solo be this.
Who is she?
Oh, now wait till me dey call you for 2 days. Then they pick my car, abi. So the blessing don't enter be Benin girl. You don't forget who they run about Benin, abi. For this small Benin, they carry on that woman. They follow me on that side chick. They follow me. They join 2 side chick, and you get wife. So they start to talk man. Now they wear you.
What's wrong with you? Go, Olivier.
Who is she? And you're just sitting here looking like a moron. Who is she?
I'm gonna kill. And they talk to my boyfriend. I'll prove for you. You mad? I'll prove her. What did she get? I not get. Now yeah, she get. I not get.
I wonder.
Now yeah, she get. I not get.
Are you okay? Are you insane? Am I your mate? Is this kind of girls you roll with?
Now me the turtle.
So shut up. She's my wife. This is my wife. What's wrong with you?
Mama, your wife. No, mama, no, best I bet. Solo, I think say Solo don't carry another side chick join me. That make me act like that. You know, as women they feel now. I don't go want to share my mouth with anybody. No, wala, mama. Wanna enjoy. Solo, I go racket for us later.
Which house?
Yo, Solo, wow.